I can do. Let me do. Okay, let me come up again. I'm saying after National Bank receiving an invoice of 928,000, they need to pay rent to Samuel. Okay.
Yes.
So the amount that they will pay to Samuel, Samuel amewapea inclusive of VAT of, that is inclusive of VAT, which is 928,000.
Yes.
So National Bank will do watafanya two things. Okay. Number one, they will pay the VAT on the rental. Now they are going to pay 14%, not 16%.
Oh, 14%.
Yes. Why?
Yeah, I can hear you. 14. Because to KRA.
Yeah.
I'm saying the reason why they're paying 14% is because Samuel withheld 2%.
Exactly, correct.
I'm just guessing.
Yeah?
I'm not sure. Okay.
What? No, I'm saying, you see, when Samuel I withhold 2%. So after withhold 2%, akalipa KRA. So already akalipa KRA on behalf of National Bank. So already National Bank on their iTax, 2% has been paid.
Yes.
So meaning when National Bank paid the VAT, because 14%, if 14% wakilipa plus ile Samuel 2% alikuwa amelipa, itakuja 16%.
Yes.
Okay. Now again, National Bank, since it is a KRA appointed agent, they will withhold the 10% of MRI. That is the 10% ile Samuel anafaa alipe.
Okay.
This 10%, unaona hii 10% hapa, the 80,000.
Yeah.
Wao wata withhold the 80% and remit to KRA. So awatalipa ile ndio Samuel aende kuchukua 10% alipe tena, wata withhold na kulipa. So unaona side ya Samuel saa haezi enda kulipa the 80,000 already imelipwa na National Bank on behalf.
Yeah.
So meaning ile pesa Samuel atapokea kama rent yake ni 800,000 minus plus the 16,000 ile ilikuwa withhold na Samuel minus 80,000 of that is the 10%, so itakuwa 76,000.
Okay.
Remember, hii 16,000 wakati Samuel alilipa pesa yake.
Okay.
National Bank haikuwa imemlipa rent. Si ukipeana invoice si lazima ulipe immediately.
Yeah.
So yeye Samuel amechukua akalipa pesa yake 16%. So baki mpaka ifanye reimbursement. Yeah. Si kama tumeelewana mpaka hapo.
So here the assumption is that Samuel is also an agent.
Yes.
So because he's an agent and he's the one who is the landlord, so he withheld 2% of the rental income.
He will withhold, 2%. Not rental, VAT.
Or VAT.
Yeah, 2% of VAT.
So 2% of 800,000.
Yeah.
Or 2% of 800,000.
2% of 800,000 is it not 16,000? Ebu fanya.
2% of 800 800,000 is 16,000.
Yes.
But 800,000 is rental income.
What? Come up again?
2% of VAT. So it's 2% of 800. The calculations are showing that it's 2% of 800,000.
Yes.
And 800,000 is rental income.
Yes. 800 is rental income.
Okay.
Yes. So remember, okay, wacha tufanye hapa, si ndio? So 16%. 16% hapa, total 16%, so we can take this equals to 800 times 800 itakuja ngapi? Sorry. Why is it? So equals to this times 800 utapata ni 128. Okay?
Yes.
So 2%, 16% in 128. 2%, let's find the 2%. So 2% equals to this times the what? The 800,000. So unapata ni 16, si ndio? So the difference will be 128 minus 16. So inakuja 112. Unaona hapa 14% hapa nimekuandikia na nimeandika hapa 14%.
Yeah.
It is 112. So meaning wakati Samuel ali withhold 2% akaremit to KRA. So deni ya National Bank ni 112. Si ni kweli? So that when you take the 160 the 16,000 plus 1 itakuja 120 128. So the 2% the 2% ile National Bank the 14% National Bank watalipa, 2% ile Samuel ame withhold, so ukiongeza yote imekuja 16. Pamoja? So remember pia sasa juu Samuel italipa 120,000 to KRA, 16% itafanya reimbursement to Samuel.
Okay.
Okay? Si Samuel alishalipa 16%.
Yes.
Alilipa, unaona ni pia National Bank walimulipa, hata wanaweza lipa the other wasilipe rent. So Samuel yeye hawezi ngoja rent ilipwe ndiye alipe the 16%. Hapana. Yeye ataenda up atoe pesa kwa mfuko yake alipe 62%. So National Bank reimburse.
The 62% or the 2%?
No, the 2%, sorry. The 2%.
The landlord has to always withhold the 2% of the income.
Not the income, not the income, 2% of VAT on rental income.
2% of VAT on rental income, regardless of whether the account have paid or not yet paid.
Yes. Remember, we read about the penalty. If you ukikosa withhold, it is deemed to be yako.
Yes, we read. Yes.
Yes. So regardless, amekulipa, hajakulipa, you have obligation to do to withhold and remit. Tuko pamoja? Hello?
Yes, we are together. So let me ask, let's say if I'm Samuel and I'm not approved to, I'm not an approved agent. So do I still need to ensure that withholding has been filed?
So once you are a landlord and you are a commercial, you have a commercial buildings, properties, you automatically become an agent.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Sawa.
Hakuna kupenya.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So we have agreed that NBK, National Bank, italipa Samuel 80,000, which is rent, plus 16,000, ile ya 2% withheld, minus 80,000, which is monthly rental income tax, ile ya 10%. So National Bank withhold 10%, wao utalipa hii tax on behalf of Samuel to KRA.
Okay.
So Samuel yeye side yake is not required to pay the 10% because already National Bank wamemulipia on behalf.
Okay.
Umeshika?
They have paid the MRI on behalf of the landlord.
Exactly.
So the tenant has to be paying the MRI on behalf of the landlord on commercial basis.
Yes.
I'm asking.
On commercial, it is a must that on a commercial, it is a must that huyo mwenye the tenant, since now is an agent of KRA, na wewe unaona?
Yes.
Ata withhold na kulipia. Hiyo story ishe.
Oh, okay.
So that is why I've indicated here, Samuel will receive 736,000, whereby nimekuja nikafanya kaleja hapo. So maybe Samuel is receiving this money through bank, that is 736,000. Samuel, ile pesa yake ali withhold ni 16%. So balance yake sasa, ile pesa yake, sasa ya inafaa ikuwe ya Samuel. Si ni 720. That is you take 800,000 minus 80,000. So itakuwa 720.
720.
Yes.
This come up again. There's somewhere you are breaking. You are saying that I was asking that if you are a tenant, you are mandated to pay the MRI on behalf of the landlord if it's on commercial basis.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So that scenario, umeelewa hiyo scenario?
Yes.
So that is basically if you are an accountant in an organization that has all those, you are required to do hizo zote.
But it's not hard, provided umeelewa.
Provided umeelewa, it is not hard.
Yeah.
So basically, that is all about the withholding VAT, 16% withholding VAT on rental income and the whatever. Since I don't know what we can do, since the iTax is not opening to get the VAT, ile form ya kufile VAT ya rent, I don't know what we can do. Can we do this tomorrow?
It's okay.
So I send you this cash sheet. You understand on it kabisa.
Yeah.
Then you go through the notes. Then from there, tomorrow we can do what? Tomorrow we can do the two examples. Hiyo ya income na ya rental. Sindio?
Commercial, yes.
Yeah, commercial. The commercial and the income. Zile tulisema. So that we can combine them, get the examples. I think from there, tutakuwa tumemaliza ama tutakuwa tumepakisha kitu. Let me see.
Yeah, there was the registration part of it.
You can see my screen.
Yes, I can.
Si hapo tutakuwa tumemaliza.
Yeah, rental VAT, income tax. Oh, it's not the one we'll do tomorrow.
So the rental VAT and the income tax, withholding tax zote tutafanya kesho. So the VAT, we will also revisit to find a live example. But I'm sending you the invoices tomorrow so that at least you try go through them, try to feed them into that cash sheet. Then we review. Then kesho tutajua where tutadiri na wapi sana vizuri, sindio? The end of the lesson tomorrow.
Yes.
Sawa. See, naona ni 1 minute, 1 minute remaining.
And also the registration bit of it.
Yeah, the registration. Yeah.